Guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, I'm Megan. In today's video, y'all, I'm giving you this full get ready with me, from the hair to the face to the outfit. We are doing a full get ready with me. So if you're interested in this type of video, then keep on watching. But before we do that, definitely subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like these types of videos with the full get ready with me, from the hair. Sis got a new wig. We are doing the face, and we are definitely doing an outfit of the day. Yes, I went ahead and got ready for my brunch date that I have today. We outside, but we are safe. I hope y'all are doing well. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, we are going to apply my new unit. This is the new unit, y'all. She is a bob. I got it from the same place that I got the other wig. If you did not check that video out, check it out. But it's Hair by Rena. And yes, y'all, I'm just loving the construction. She did such a good job. This is a frontal. So we're gonna be applying it, and I just wanted to look like something, different. So I went ahead and opted for this bob. I've always tried to get my real hair looking like a bob, but it never worked out. So I was like, let me go ahead and purchase this bob. I'm gonna be using my Got To Be Glued spray. The way the wig lays, it really does not need to be that neat. I'm gonna still try to do the install as neat as possible, but we are running out of time. Like I said, we're gonna be doing brunch today, so I wanna make sure I'm on time. And yeah, let's get into it. Yes, y'all, I'm not going to be talking through this because I really need to concentrate. All right, guys, so I got it all glued down. So we're gonna do the part and everything once I finish my makeup. But yes, I have installed the wig successfully. Like I said, we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna have this looking like something. But y'all, I'm just loving this wig, and I really don't have to touch it up. I might just touch it up, but it's really held its shape and form really well. So let's get to the makeup. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let my lace melt while I go ahead and move on to the makeup. I'm thinking I'm gonna do something really simple, nothing too much, because the wig is enough, honey. So let's get into the makeup. I got this wig melter from the person that actually made the wig, and it's Hair by Rena. I have been absolutely loving this primer by NYX, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. I have been loving it. Oh, I think I did a little bit too much, but we're gonna rub that in. And y'all, I got my eyelashes done, so I really don't have to do too much with the eyelashes, and that's why I actually got them done, because I hate putting on strip lashes. They always mess up. It takes me 10 or 20 tries. No joke. So I'm glad I got my lashes done. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define makeup, and I'm in the color F13. So I lap that on in no particular way. And I am going to be using the Haley's Beauty Kabuki brush. These are part of my new makeup products that I got. And thanks to Maya Galore, Juicy Jazz, your girl has gotten into this makeup from Haley's Beauty. All right, so face is looking good, y'all. I forgot to do my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into that right now. I'm going to be going in with my fave, and this is my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I don't venture off from this. This is thebomb.com, and this is in the color Chocolate. Usually I either get chocolate or dark brown. They ran out of dark brown, so I'm doing chocolate. I need to clean up these brows. My brows are usually hit and miss. Sometimes I do a great job, and then other times, Lord, I'm like, what was I doing? But I really hate doing my brows after I put on foundation. To me, they just look so much more natural once I do it before the foundation. Chime in below, let me know how you do your eyebrows. But yeah, I'm just feeling like this one looks definitely fake. This one looks a little bit better. But yeah, let me go ahead and clean that up. They look a tad bit better. I'm gonna just blend this concealer in with my fingers. I find less mistakes when I blend with my fingers. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. This definitely works in concealing my bags, my dark circles, but your girl has been off for the past few days because summer break has hit, so I don't need too much. I don't know why I do these little funny faces. Mix two of these concealers. To me, this one is too light, and then this one does the trick with toning it down. So this one is in the shade Tan Deep Sand. That's the light one. And then this one is a darker shade, and it's in Deep Sand. So I like to use both of them because, yeah, I need both to, you know, do the little trick. All right, we're gonna blend now. Getting them corners. Y'all, I'm already loving how my makeup is coming out. But wait until I show y'all this powder that was recommended. I did play with it a little bit. I just loved it. Just make sure it's all blended. Nothing worse than blended concealer, child. All right. I'm looking ready for outside already. Okay, next we are going to, so we're gonna go ahead and set the face. It just has your skin looking blurred. It looks flawless. It looks photo ready. So yes, thanks to Juicy and Maya, this powder has been bought. I did use it, and y'all, I'm loving it. I love the way it makes my face feel, and I'm a very oily girl, so this contains the oil. I'm going to just pour some in here, and we're going to apply it. There. All right. So see, already you probably can notice a difference in my skin. I think this just does it. It just goes, bloop. I just love this powder. Like, it works really good at, what I said? Oh, controlling the oil. So yes, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Do y'all see this? Get into it. So now that my face looks super flawless, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheeks and some bronzer, and then I'm not doing too much to my eyes, but we're gonna do something with this lower lash line, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this bronzer, and it's Mocha Mami. I think this shade is a little bit too dark for myself. I don't know why I went with a darker shade, but we make it work. You know, I don't add too much because it is on the darker side. It's like more of a orange to me. But yeah, it's a great glow. Got me looking hot girl summer ready. All right, so now that we have that, I need to make sure this is blended because I'm using the viewfinder to look at my makeup. All right, y'all, moving right along. Next, I'm gonna be using my Sweet Cheeks by NYX, and this is the shade Red Riot. I'm loving the shade. It brings the perfect wash of color to my face. If I can get it open, watch. Boom. It just brings me some color, child. And I'm loving it. All right. Sometimes I put a little bit too much, but that's okay. That's okay, because we can always go back with our foundation, powder brush, and just kind of like blend that in. So that way it looks good. And because I want to just do a little something on my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie palette, and I'm going to be using the shade right here. I'm just going to dust that in my eyes. We did do a little something, if y'all can notice. This side has the eyeshadow, this side is not. Alright guys, this is the face. Now I need to think about what kind of lippy I want to do. I pretty much want to do something really nude. That's just me. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. So I'm taking my High Shine by Urban Decay, and it's in the shade Beso, and it's a nice, pretty pink high gloss. It gives me my lips but better. It's brunch approved. I think I'm ready. So let's finish up the hair. All right, y'all, she is done. Now let's go ahead and get this outfit together because she is looking fabulous. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.